welcome to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Bolaji, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're not subscribed, you should hit that subscribe button now and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Also comment down below for more videos you'd like to see, and share this video to your friends and family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my edges, because sis, my edges are thick and coarse, or any other word you like to refer to it as, and they're hard to lay. But I found a way to lay my edges down and they stay for like a long time. And even before I found the perfect edge control to use, it took a while. I tried Eco Styler, it didn't work. All the types of Eco Stylers didn't work for my hair. Even for my normal hair, it doesn't work for my normal hair. So Eco Styler was like out of it. And then I tried using brushes. Brushes were not cutting it for me. It wasn't like doing the job I wanted it to do, until I found out that if you use a wide tooth comb to lay your edges, they actually lay your edges, and this is what I've been using since then. I also found this edge control that lays my edges 100%, and it's the ORS Olive Oil ORS Black Edge Control. The only thing that I can say that was off about it was the fact that it will leave like white patches on your hair and everything, but aside that, it's good, and you can use your normal oil to just like dab on it and it will go. Aside that, like, this edge control is bomb, it's perfect, and it lays your edges 100%. So enough of the rambling, and let's get right into this video. So what I normally do first is to wet my hair a little bit. I think I put a little too much. Let me just use my scarf to clean that up. So yeah, I just put a little bit of edge control around places where I want it to be, or where I want to lay. Basically, I just put like a little bit of it here and everything. So now I just take the part that I want out. I feel like this is too much, so I just take the part that I want, and I just use my comb to like form that kind of thing I want, and add a little bit of gel again, because it's like it's not going down. My edges don't stay down until like you put a lot of gel on it. And make sure to take your time when you're doing it, because it takes patience to achieve it. So yeah, I'm feeling like I want to take this up a little bit. So yeah, this is how this one is looking right now. The first swoop is looking like this. Can you see that this comb is like bomb? This comb is it. This comb is like, okay, no, I don't like that. This comb is like the thing. This is it. Sometimes I don't even need to like take it, like put a scarf, because I feel like that's extra work, and especially if I have somewhere to go. I don't put any scarf, I just leave it like that. take your time when you're doing this thing, because like it's proper work. So now to the last, now to the last one here. Okay, next thing I do now is to like take a little bit of the gel and just put it on the places where I edge controlled, just to give it a second hold. Thing I do is to take my normal oil or hair cream and I just put it on it because of the white thing that may start to appear when it's drying. So to avoid that, you just put like your hair cream or coconut oil, olive oil, anything that you have, to just make it glow. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll be able to like do your edges from now henceforth, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click that bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video, and comment down below for more videos you'd like to see. And yeah, watch my other videos if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.